Alright guys, Jay Product Performance here. So I see this all the time and I want to point this out. So this is one of those little clamp-on shift levers that come with most of your aftermarket gate shifters, ratchet shifters, whatever. And this is pretty much what you see on a Ford C4 or a C6. Pretty much the same layout. So what's happening here is there's a groove in here. If you look, you can see that little groove better. And what I see all the time is this piece here ends up riding into this groove. So the problem with this is when you let this ride into the groove like this, you lose half your clamping force. So, so you're just getting clamping force on this side. Because you can see this has just got a bolt that squeezes it together around this shaft here. But again, when one side goes into that groove, you lose a lot of your force. So I'm going to take this back off. And then I'm going to just take this and just squeeze it in the vise. And we want this section to be on here like it should. So give me a second, I'm going to do that and I'll show you. It's just a quick little tip for you. I see this all the time. I swear I see it more often than not. I'm always kind of surprised that people put these together like this, but they do nonetheless. So anyways, because the reason I worry about this is because not so much on a C4, but I've talked about this before on the C6 that it's very hard to move this lever when there's hydraulic load on it, the design of the manual select valve. So this can slip and you'll lose your shifter adjustment, and then you'll get all kinds of problems, cross leaks in the valve body, causing bind ups, or just cause clutches to burn up, or whatever. I just won't go into gear, won't go into park, whatever it is. Once you lose this adjustment, because I've had people say, oh, I'm having this problem, that problem, and I'll tell them, okay, check the shifter adjustment. Oh yeah, I did that. That's all good. That's all good. But what they don't realize is if this slips a little bit on them, and it can happen pretty quickly, just after a few cycles, they're out of adjustment again. So even though, yeah, maybe they did a great job and spent the time lining everything up, this just moved on them. And this here is part of the reason, like, again, you lose clamping force. So give me a minute here. I'm going to fix this up and I'll show you how it needs to go. All right, there it is. So you can see we're no longer in that groove anymore. We're actually on the main shaft diameter. And there it is. So, I don't know, it seems simple to me, but I think a lot of people might benefit from this tip. So, maybe they don't really think about the fact that this being in the groove, this side won't really tighten up. You just have this side, so it just, just helps keep it more more adjusted and all that sort of thing. So you don't have to worry about it slipping on you as much. So, all right, guys, that's it. Appreciate you watching. I haven't been doing many videos lately. Just got a lot going on, but that's it.